Okay, if you take a look at the 1.4 activity, our life in the metric system, and we're starting out with my height, whatever your height is. So for instance, if you're going to use a height of 63 inches, just as an example, okay? If we're gonna be converting inches into centimeters, you know that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, and this is exact. Okay, so you can use this to get that conversion done. So you would put inches on the diagonal, centimeters on top. The number 1 goes next to inches, the 2.54 goes next to centimeters. Since this has infinite sig figs, you would use the sig figs that are in the original measurement in your final answer. Okay, so here if you multiply across, you would end up getting 160 centimeters. If you're looking at the room width, just as an example, you would have probably measured something slightly different than I measured. So whatever your measurement is in feet, so for instance, if it's 21.5 feet and we're going to convert that into meters, it would probably be a good idea to convert feet into inches using an inch equals, or 12 inches are in a foot, and then to use this conversion from inches to centimeters, and then convert from centimeters to meters. So I would take whatever you measured in feet, convert that to inches, there are 12 inches in a foot, and then convert inches to centimeters using this conversion, and then convert centimeters to meters using a one-step metric conversion. So that means you're going to put the number 1 where centi is. Centi stands for 10 to the negative 2. And you're going to want to have 3 sig figs in your answer because this is exact, so is this, and so is this. So, well, based upon my measurement, which went to 3 sig figs, that's why I would have 3 sig figs. So 6.55 meters would be an example, okay? Then if you're looking at your body weight, okay, you can use whatever weight you want. You can make one up. It doesn't matter. If we're using mine, I'm going to use 118 pounds as an example. So if we're converting pounds to kilograms, there was a conversion from pounds to kilograms of 1 pound equals 454 grams in a previous problem in the book. So we can use that to convert to grams and then convert grams to kilograms in a one-step metric conversion. So here, pounds to grams. So it would be 1.00 pounds for 454 grams, and then convert grams to kilograms in a one-step metric conversion like this, okay? I came out with around 53.6 kilograms. I rounded it to 3 sig figs because this had 3 sig figs, and then the kilogram to gram conversion was exact. Then for the last one, if you're using your home distance, whatever that distance is, mine came out to be around 10 miles. So I'm just using 10 period on the end to give me 2 sig figs because I had measured that. And if I'm going to convert that to kilometers, I would convert miles to feet using in 1 mile, there are 5,280 feet. You know this from a previous problem that is in the book. And then I would convert my feet to inches. So there are 12 inches in a foot. And then I'm going to convert to centimeters using the 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters from previous problems. And then in order to get to kilometers, you're going to have to convert centimeters to meters and then meters to kilometers. So that would be a 2-step metric conversion. So the number 1 goes where the prefix is, the power of 10 goes where the base is, 1 where prefixes, power of 10 where bases. And then I'm going to round my answer off to 2 sig figs. I got around 16.09. So this would be 16 kilometers for my distance.